In this video, I will show you how to make your microphone sound better. So first things first, let's head over right here into our actual browser and you can search in here for noise cancellation. So they have some actual noise cancelling applications that they can recommend. We have in here Crisp. I actually use that one. You just need to head over and then sign up for an account or a free trial and you should be able to have some superior and top tier noise cancellation. So using this particular application can help you make your microphone sound better. What you can do is you can click onto this Get Crisp for free, or if you're already plugged in, you can head over and manage your account. So it actually uses as well this AI for note taking. It actually helps pick up your noise better. Now, it also have other like for example if you're using a recording software just like this one, what we can do is we can head over and then go right here to the audio and we have in here the mic. So let's click onto this three dots right here and then click onto this filters. Now I recommend you to actually make sure that you have noise suppression and make sure that the method is our noise, which is good quality, and don't worry because of the CPU usage as long as it has good cancellation. Now for the noise gate, you can head over and choose a threshold of negative 75 decibels and open threshold of negative 40. So I actually do already a trial and error about this one, and so far it's the one that's giving me the most optimal results. You have in here the attack time, hold time, as well as release time. Make sure to apply the strings that you have made and you should be good to go. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.